Assalamualaikum. My name is Tarim Fatma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect PHP file with database. First of all, we will know how to create database at the backend. So here is a screen. By click on database option, you have create. You will create database. I've already created school named database. By click on create, our database will create. After this, there are options to create table. These are the name that we want to give our columns. Like I want to make a column ID, name, and city. int ये इसको हम varchar कर देते हैं, इसको हम varchar कर देते हैं और आईडी को हम प्राइमरी की कर देते हैं. सो आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन सेव, our table will be created. So as you see that I have created my table and also insert values in it. Now I will show you how to insert values by clicking on SQL. So I have write this query. You can see that after click on the option go, our query will be executed. Now moving toward the table, we'll see if the values of name and city inserted or not. So you can see that I have created the query 2 times. I have executed the query 2 times. That's why there are 2 columns of the same name and same city name. So this is our this is the method to create a database and a table at the backend. Now move towards the code through which we connect the PHP file to the database MySQL. So this is a simple code. You have already know about it. I have created the form. Input type is equal to text, name is equal to username, br is used to break the line, input type is equal to city, input type is equal to submit, value is equal to upload. Okay, or I have used the connection.php name here. Action is equal to, because I want to display the these text from the file connection.php. So I have created this PHP code. $name is equal to $post username, $city is equal to post city, server name localhost. In this I have written the code to connect the PHP file to the database. So basically the $CONN connection, a variable is used, is equal to mysql I underscore connect with 4 parameters. This is a main function to connect the PHP with the database. Server name is equal to localhost, username is equal to root, password is default, database I have created earlier, that named as school. So in this I have implement another function, if or else, that if print print this line if it is connected, PHP file is connected to the database connected successfully, else echo connection failed. Then you can see that there is another function $SQL is equal to insert into student. So basically $SQL is the variable used to insert values into the two columns that I have created, name and city. Values, and there is this as earlier I have used the function my sqli underscore connect with 4 parameters to connect the PHP with the database. I have used another function my sqli underscore query variable uh, $CONN and $SQL. So I have passed these two parameters here. This is a function to connect the query PHP file with the query of the database. Actually, I have passed these two parameters here. First parameter is used because uh, this is a starting that I have connect the PHP file with the database. This is compulsory. We can only connect the SQL after connecting the PHP file with the database. So we have passed only two parameters here. You can see that it is the output, and I have filled the values of f.php file. This is the output of f.php file. After uploading, it will come undefined. Okay, you know that it will come. You know that the error is always come. So you can see that database connected successfully. Now we will see the R table. There is an error occurring because the values I inserted are not showing here. I will correct it. Thank you for watching.